teach you to play chess and Go. I think you would be good at it. So I put lots of purple plums right at the top of the tree, so they stay for a long time. The light has changed. I wonder if the path will be muddy and low. The traffic will pass, and we will know we have a journey, like the cars with the women driving, with their long hands on the wheel. They will look fast beside us, but we will notice the grass, listen with the snails. We have our own time.
And these fading dawn, from which we all exhale.
Open yourself